How to recall or resend Outlook messages. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, use your Outlook web version. Now, go to the sent items. After that, you will see all the messages that you have sent. Now, simply find the message that you want to resend or recall. Now, after finding that message, what you will have to do is double click on the message and this new interface will pop up. Now, all you have to do is tap on this three dot more option and then next you have this option of resend message. Now, you can also add a subject and also edit the message like this and then send it. Confirm sending and done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.